Hey guys, what's up? Welcome or welcome back to my channel. If you guys are new around here, hi, I'm Saishri and today I will be sharing with you guys how my 2020 was, or this is basically a 2020 year rewind. Before we begin with the video, happy birthday V or Kim Taehyung from BTS. This video is divided into 3 sections apart from intro and outro. So I divided and told you guys about how 2020 was academically and then how I found self-growth and development in the second topic, and then in third topic I told you guys what are the web series, movies, Korean dramas and music I've heard this year. So I leave the timelines on the screen, so go skip to anything particular if you want to watch that. And yeah, let's get started with the video. Starting off with how 2020 was academically, I would tell that it was the most comfortable time to study. Personally, I'm a night owl, so yeah, it was much easier to be productive this whole time. Of course, we all had to attend online classes and tests, but still I would tell that 2020 was my favorite year academically. Thinking of 2020 as a year for personal and self-development, I would say that I've learned a lot of things this year. For example, I started to learn coding, like the basic coding, and then I also learned how to read and write or speak as well, French and Korean. And so yes, I've done pretty much a lot of things this lockdown. If you guys want to know more about all the skills and habits that I've developed in 2020, go check that video out. Even though I tried to keep myself engaged throughout the year, but still we had a lot of free time left. So what I started watching was web series. I'm not really a person who watches so many web series or movies or Korean dramas and stuff, but in lockdown I started watching all these things. So far I watched COS, and then I watched Money Heist, and then I watched Riverdale. After that I started watching Dark, like I watched like 1 or 2 episodes, so I need to continue that. And then moving on to some movies, I watched a lot of movies this year. As I said before, I'm not really a person who watches a lot of movies and stuff, but this year I watched so many movies that I can't even keep track of what I watched. So I'm gonna share with you guys all my favorites. So first favorite is Extraction. It was released on Netflix. I like that very much. And then I watched Ponnagal Vanda. It's a Tamil film. I watched that on Amazon Prime. And then I also watched this film called Train to Busan. I mean, it's pretty old. It's like 2016 movie or something, but still it is great. Related to zombies and stuff. So if you guys are into that kind of things, you guys can watch Train to Busan. And then I started watching Korean dramas. So I watched a whole bunch of Korean dramas this time. So let me tell you guys my favorites. First one is Her Private Life, and then What's Wrong with Secretary Kim. Both are by Park Min Young, my favorite Korean drama actress. And then I watched Strong Woman, Do Bong Soon. Then Sky Castle. After that, currently I'm watching Pinocchio. Apart from spending my time watching all these movies and web series and Korean dramas, I heard music. A lot of music this year. Let me show you guys my Spotify 2020 Wrapped. It is basically a kind of a rewind of your whole year, how you spent on Spotify. So I will add that in the next clip.
My top genres for this year was pop, filmy, and K-pop. And then moving on to my top artist for this year, it's undoubtedly BTS, guys. And then for the top song of the year, we have Seven Rings by Ariana Grande. And then for like the top 5 songs, we have Seven Rings, We Don't Talk Anymore, 10,000 Hours, Dynamite, and Billie Eilish's Bad Guy. I've streamed BTS's Dynamite for 4,086 minutes. That's completely insane. And my top artists are BTS, Blackpink, and Ariana Grande. And then I've listened to BTS so much this year that I'm one of their top 2% of listeners. That's insane and I'm proud of it. Yeah, thank you.
Thank you guys for watching today's video. Let me know in the comments down below how your 2020 was, and the first 3 people to comment how your 2020 was will get shout out in the next video. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and also click that post notification bell so that you don't miss any updates from us. And also make sure to like this video and share it with your friends. Love you all. Bye.